Good morning, children. Today we will do the second part of article, means the use of the. Earlier we have discussed about a or an, and to understand it much better, the use of the, we will start with examples. It will be more appropriate for you to understand it. Let's start. In column A, some uses of the are given, and in column B it is given that the is used where in column A. You have to match these two columns. The man with a golden pen. Let's see. The man with a golden pen. When we particularize a person or a thing, you will match with it. I bought a book. The book is about ghosts. Here we have already used book before. Means second time when we will use the same thing, same noun, we will write the before it, not a or an. Let's see, where is it? When we have talked about a person or thing before. Okay, now third one, the United States of America. Before the name of the country in which common name is here. Before the name of a country that includes a common name, you will match with it. The president, a person or thing which is unique. The president, from which one it will be matched? Yes, when a person or thing is unique, so we understand who or what we are talking about. The Brahmaputra, name of the river. Here it is in the first one before the name of a river, and the last is the Himalayas before the name of a mountain range. You can see easily that where the is used here. In these conditions we have to use the. You can learn it also from column B. And to better understand, you have to be practiced more and more. Let's see more example. When a person or thing is particularized. Particularized means something we have to say to know about which person we are talking. Like a friend who wears red cap. A man who has golden pen, like this. When we have talked about a person or thing before, means second time we will use the. When a person or thing is unique, like prime minister, president. For countries whose name includes a common noun, like United Kingdom, United States of America, not India, because India is a proper name. For rivers or ranges of mountains. In these conditions we will use the. You can learn it well. Okay children, hope now you understood where we use definite article the and where we use indefinite article a or an. What you have to do in this worksheet, you have to write numbers in what way the is used in the sentences. This is your worksheet. You can do it. First is the Kaziranga Sanctuary is in Assam. The sun rises in the east. He has invited us to his party. The party will be on a houseboat. I visited the lady who looks after the orphanage. The air in the mountains is refreshing. He plans to climb the Himalayas. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. The daughter of the king married a pauper. The priest is the head of the village community. Glenda has gone to the United States. She wants to sail across the Mississippi. You can see here the is used in many ways. You have to choose the number in what way the is used here. Okay children, hope you can do it easily. And here one more exercise is given. Some sentences are given here. You have to tick only the correct sentence. Where the is used correctly, you have to tick it. Look it properly. Now hope you need not to understand more about the, just learn it and practice more and more. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, like and comment on it. Thank you.